Hi everyone! So I have a haul from BeeBeeCrafts. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to work with them again, and I said yes. So I'm going to share with you guys what I picked out. I really love working with them, and I love all their stuff. They do send me these items, but I have also bought from them because I really enjoy their stuff. So let me show you what they sent. I picked this bead set right here, and I love that it comes in its own case, and it was wrapped, but I took off the plastic just to make it a little bit faster for the video. So there's these right here. They're not really like a red, they're kind of like an orangey copper, probably more like a copper color. So there's these, and then there's some blue ones, which are going to be beautiful for like some winter Christmas projects. We have this really pretty purple. Then we have this like pink purple color right here. And we have like this kind of like more of a brown gold. And then we have this like yellow gold. And then we have a silver. And all of these beads have the same kind of texture to them. They're really pretty. So they look like that. They have just like, you know, just like a slight texture to them, which I love. I love when beads have texture. So I got those, and then I got some other ones that you'll see right now that also have, you know, like a little texture to the beads. So that was all one kit, and I will leave a link to their website and to each one of these products down below in the description box. Here's the other bead set that I got, and this is the one I told you has more texture to them. I picked it just because of these little fuzzy little bead dangle charms right here. This is why I picked this kit, because I was like, I need those in my life. Look at that. Doesn't it look like a little snowball? How cute is that? So you get white and you get red, and then in the next compartment it is full of charms, and there's some more of those little fuzzy beads. So here's all the charms, and like I said, there's a couple more little fuzzy beads right here. So in this you get a Christmas tree, a Santa Claus, a bell, and a present. Here's the present right there. So you get all of those beads right there, and I think there's 3 or 4 of each. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think 3. 1, 4. Probably 4. Yeah, 4 of each of these charms. And here are all the charms right here. So there's those. And then in this compartment, there are these green beads right here. But they do have that shine and iridescence to them, which is beautiful. And so do these red ones. And these red ones are actually a larger size than these green ones, which I like. So we have those. And then over here we have some pearls in green and red, but they're like a matte finish, which are really nice. Like I said, I love anything that's a little bit different. And then in this top row, we have bells. And you guys know how much I love bells and shakers and anything that makes noise. So I just love these. So we have green, gold, and red. That's really nice. So it's like a whole little kit right here. And then once you use all of these up, you now have a storage box. I'm telling you, I love that everything already comes in its own case. I don't have to worry about going to the store to buy another case or figuring out, you know, what am I going to put it in. It comes already in its own case. I love that. Just like that, comes in its own case. Love. So moving on to what else I picked out. They had some chain, which I thought was really fun, because you guys know how much I love doing my chunky charms. So it's a plastic chain. So I have this neon yellow right here. I have this like peach color, kind of like skin tone, kind of like light color. There's this one, which I thought would be beautiful because I know there's a lot of Christmas collections that have like this color in it. So there's that one. And then, of course, red for Christmas or Valentine's Day. And then white. Again, we could use this for Christmas, like a little winter wonderland snowflake project. So I got those that I'm going to make a couple chunky charms out of. So we'll play with those. And then I picked these bows right here. These are gorgeous. They are so pretty. Look at that. They are a beautiful gold color. And then I love that they were double looped. So look at the bow. It's beautiful. It has a lot of detail to it. And then you have the loop on the top and the loop on the bottom. I thought these were just beautiful when I saw them. I knew I needed them. They're going to be perfect for my charms. So I got those. And then the last item I picked is something really, really different to me. Something that I have never, ever used. So it's going to be interesting. Wish me luck. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know what your suggestions are for these. But what I picked out was foil paper. So my thought process for this foil paper was to use it with wax seals. So they each come individually wrapped right here. It does come in different colors. So it looks like a purple, maybe a white. Oops, I just flicked some of it out. Okay, let's not do that. See, I told you I've never worked with this before, so clearly I don't know what I'm doing. I just messed that all up. So here is the foil right there. So what I was thinking was for wax seals, that maybe I could lay this on top of the wax and then press it. So that's my idea. We're going to see how that works. I'm thinking if I also lay some glue down and let it get semi-dry, so it's like tacky, then I think I could lay this foil on top of it. So we're going to play around and see what we can come up with. Don't be like me and don't try to like shuffle through the colors, because look, I just messed it up. Like, here's some of that peeking out. So that was not anything else other than user error on my part. I should not have been messing with it like that. So I'll have to go through and fix this. Oh, see, I cracked my sheet. So this is where that pink came from. Oh, it's all broken into little pieces. Okay, so I definitely probably should not have bent it back like that. So don't do that if you get this. Leave it all into a solid sheet. But yes, we are going to be playing with this, which, like I said, I don't mind. I wanted it in pieces anyways for my purposes, because I'm not going to need a whole sheet for a wax seal. But let's open this color right here. This is the gold. Wow, that's really pretty. Look at that. That's a really pretty gold right there. I like that. So they are meant to be in sheets like this. But like I said, I'm the one that messed that up by bending them back and trying to flip through them. So anyways, that's what we got in this haul. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave a link to their website and to all of these products in the description box. And I do have a coupon code with them as well. And that coupon code I will leave in the description box as well. But it's also in every single one of my videos if you're ever looking for it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.